Introduction, a whisper in the dark. Have you ever wondered why after reading book after book, even from the most renowned authors, your account still doesn't blossom as expected? Trading books, glossy covers, golden letters, bold promises of the fastest path to financial freedom. You hold them in your hands, heart pounding, thinking you've just found the key to hidden treasure. But then weeks later, months later, you find yourself still wandering, lost in the maze. Where's the problem? Is it that you're not patient enough, or maybe not smart enough? No. The truth is, most trading books leave out a crucial piece of the puzzle. Today, join me on a journey to uncover that secret. A journey that doesn't promise glamorous light, but instead takes us down shadowy paths where few dare to tread. If you're brave enough, step forward. I'll show you what lies beneath the surface, what trading books deliberately avoid. And once you see it, you'll never look at the market the same way again. Part 1. The Allure and the Illusion. From the very first page, trading books know how to seduce you. They're like master magicians, offering promises of quick riches, fail-proof systems, and flawless charts that make you believe memorizing a few formulas is all it takes to print money. They sketch perfect setups, moving averages crossing, RSI breaking 70, MACD aligning. It looks like a flawless symphony. Just follow along, and success is guaranteed. But here's the problem. The market is not a clockwork machine. It doesn't run smoothly or obey fixed formulas. It's chaotic, unpredictable, ever-changing by the minute. Books rarely talk about the moment your hands tremble as price reverses, your heartbeat racing when you're down 20%. They don't mention the haunting dread of a losing streak or the dangerous overconfidence after a few lucky wins. What's left out is the emotional trap. You can memorize 50 indicators, but one instant of panic renders all that knowledge useless. And here lies the first secret. Trading books sell you the illusion of technical mastery, but they ignore the reality that psychology is the true battlefield. Part 2. The Hidden Game. Market Psychology. At its core, the market isn't driven by lines on a chart, it's driven by people. Every green or red candle, every breakout or collapse is born from primal emotions: fear, greed, hope, and panic. Have you seen the herd rush to buy when prices soar, terrified of being left behind? That's herd mentality. Have you watched a panic sell-off when bad news hits? That's the raw power of fear. The whales, the big players, understand this well. They don't need fancy charts. They just need to stir the crowd's psychology, spread rumors, pump and dump, trap newcomers in the cycle. And you know what? Most trading books will never tell you this. They want you to believe the market is objective, rational. But in reality, every trade hides emotional motives. And if you don't recognize that, you'll forever remain a pawn in the game. The bigger trap, it comes from within you. Cognitive biases, confirmation bias, seeing only what you want to see, anchoring bias, clinging to old price levels, these invisible enemies sabotage you. They make you hold on to losers too long or exit winners too early. And here lies the second secret. To survive, you must understand and control your own psychology, not just analyze others. Part 3. Beyond indicators, adapting to reality. A trading book might teach you, buy when line A crosses line B, sell when indicator C hits level D. Sounds simple, right? But the market doesn't read books. It constantly shifts, shaped by economic news, interest rates, geopolitical tensions, even a single tweet from a tech billionaire. Successful traders don't cling to static formulas. They're like agile warriors, adapting to the battlefield. They know when to ride the trend, when to retreat, when to simply stand aside. And here's something books barely touch: risk management. You can win 5 trades, 10 trades, but one reckless position can wipe your account clean. Stop loss isn't just a neat 2 or 5% rule printed on a page. It's an art, sizing positions, diversifying, and above all, having the discipline to cut losses when you must. This is the third secret. Trading isn't about guessing right, it's about managing risk to survive. Part 4. The Power of Process, Not Prediction. Beginners spend their lives hunting for the Holy Grail, that magical indicator that predicts the future. But if such a Holy Grail existed, would it really stay hidden? The market would instantly destroy its edge. The truth is, the real Holy Grail is process. What does process mean? Having your own rules, when to enter, when to exit, when to stay out. Keeping a trading journal, recording every mistake, extracting lessons, improving constantly. A trader without process is like a sailor at sea without a map. Luck may carry them for a while, but eventually they'll drift into disaster. With a solid process, you stay grounded, even if individual trades fail. And here lies the fourth secret. Success doesn't come from predicting correctly, but from discipline in following your process. Part 5. Your edge in a changing market. Today's market looks nothing like it did 10 years ago. AI, machine learning, trading bots, they're everywhere. You might think, so do humans still stand a chance? The answer, absolutely, and critically so. Machines can crunch endless data, but they don't understand fear, greed, or crowd mania. They can't feel the heartbeat of the market the way a human does. Your edge is intuition, the ability to observe, connect dots, and synthesize information far beyond textbook formulas. This is the final secret. The market will always evolve, but if you adapt, observe, and build your own style, you'll have an edge no book can give you. Conclusion. The final whisper, now you see it. What trading books miss isn't another indicator, another formula. It's the real pillars: psychology, risk, process, and adaptability. The path won't be easy, but if you have the patience to train, the discipline to follow through, and the curiosity to keep exploring, the market will slowly reveal its deepest secrets to you. Thank you for walking with me on this journey. If you want to uncover more hidden truths, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What other secrets do you think trading books are hiding? We'll meet again in the next episode, where even darker corners of the market will be revealed.